As a skilled developer, you probably have a convenient SQL tool or two installed on your computer, such as Navicat, dbeaver, MySQL Workbench, SQLiog, HeidiSQL, and more. These well-known SQL tools are favored by many developers. When faced with an unfamiliar table, or a table with numerous and complex-to-remember columns, you are likely to skillfully employ the features of your preferred tools, effortlessly harnessing their distinct code suggestion functionalities. But is there an alternative beyond this? For instance, you might desire swift column suggestions coupled with the ability to check the comments of these columns. And the answer, of course, is yes. SQLynx offers developers a different approach to field prompts. Let's start by looking at a table with numerous fields. In SQLynx's SQL editor, if you begin writing SQL directly, you'll notice that the prompts only include SQL statements and table names, but no field prompts. Don't worry, let's keep watching. To narrow down the vast amount of information and help users find prompts faster, SQLynx requires you to double-click on a table name or use the right-click menu to open the field prompt page before writing SQL. This way, you can have intelligent prompts for all fields in the current table. Using a table for the first time? No problem, you can simply compare the right screen and write. You can also see the comments for all fields clearly, aiding you in pinpointing the exact field you want to work with. Long field names? Not an issue. You can input letters anywhere to get prompts, not limited to the start, middle, or end of a field name. Input a few key letters or numbers, and then easily select from the drop-down menu. Even when dealing with multiple table joins, you're covered. For instance, you're currently referencing fields from Table A for prompts. Once you finish writing the SQL for that, you can open the field prompts for Table B and continue getting prompts for its fields. SQLynx's editor also includes input memory. With the field prompt page for Table B open, you can input the fields used from Table A moment ago, and the drop-down menu will still provide prompts. The input memory cache for field names will clear when you fully exit the software. How does this feel? Give SQLynx's table field prompt feature a try. In just a few minutes, you can experience it. SQLynx doesn't require installation, just download the software package, extract, and use directly. We hope SQLynx can assist you in simplifying and enhancing database development. Save time wasted on tedious confirmations beyond code and enjoy more of your leisure moments. See you next time.